I started with nothing, nearly $0. Now, I'm on my mission to reach 10K in 2025, sharing every new setback and lesson. For those who don't know me, my name is Mustafa Ismail. I've been trading Forex for 2 years now. I started in crypto but switched after seeing the opportunity to manage a large amount of capital so far from. Like most traders, I began with basics, learning on baby pays and completing over 100 courses before diving deep into ICT concept. Seeing so many of his students getting real results, I studied his market maker primer course 2022 mentorship and key lesson from his 2016 and 17 content. Alhamdulillah, after countless hours of study, aligning, and finally developed my model. Now, I have decided to document my journey as I building a verified track record with a regulated broker, while I'm a leverage program to hit that 10K payout in 2025. My main focus is forming consistency with a verified broker. I should also do my best to call out every single trade I take live on Twitter before it happens. On top of that, I'm working on launching one of the biggest live stream in the entire industry. More detail coming soon. I set this 10K goal to push myself to stay this way, but we all know that chasing money is the worst mindset for a trader. Still, it is what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just the beginning. Make sure to subscribe and follow my journey as I take you on this talent. Let's go together and learn together. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.